In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about one of the most profitable niches that you can grow an Instagram account with using Jarvee. Now, it's the health and fitness niche. I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can grow an account in this niche, why it's so profitable, and also once you've grown an account in this niche, how you can monetize and make a lot of money in this niche. Now, don't forget, if you enjoy this video and you want to see more like this, I want you to scroll down right now and subscribe to the Cash Kreator. Enjoy the video. What is going on, guys? The Cash Kreator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the health and fitness niche, how you can grow an account in this niche, why it's so profitable, and also how you can monetize this niche. I already have this account in the health and fitness niche. As you can see over here, it's my fitness related account. Okay, it's got 3,900 followers, almost 4,000, and I'm already making money off it, around $100 every single month with some simple affiliate marketing. So you don't even need a huge amount of followers. I only have 3,909 in this account. These are all trial accounts and I'm already making money off it. So that's all I'm going to tell you guys. Is already, even for an account with not as many followers, you can start making money. Alright, so let's get into the video. This is just my Jarvee, as you can see, with all these trial accounts. Let's talk about this industry. First of all, why is this industry so big? Okay, so let me Google for you guys health and fitness industry worth. Okay, I already know, I've already researched the facts, but it is a $30 billion industry. As you can see over here, it's an incredible industry that's fastly growing because people are becoming more and more health conscious. As you can see, all over the world, people are looking to, different health benefits for their diet, such as going vegan or vegetarian or just paleo diet or things like that. People are always looking for the new fad that's going to make them a little fitter, a little healthier, a little stronger, etc, etc, etc. So as you know, it's a big industry and it's booming right now, so we need to jump on this wave and make money off it. Alright guys, so that is proof that there's a lot of money in this industry, and the money is there to be made for marketers like you and me. Alright guys, so that's why it's so profitable. The next thing, I'm going to prove to you that health and fitness accounts, okay, they can grow hugely. Okay, so look at this one, for example, Fit Females Forever. It's only got 2,000 posts. That's not a huge amount. It's not a huge amount of posts, but look at the amount of followers. He's got over 600,000. Okay, so if I scroll down, basically what this account is it just shows females working out and exercising. Okay, as you can do, as you scroll down over here, it's basically showing fit and healthy females that are exercising. They're proud of their body, they're proud of their workout, they want to share it with other people. And as you would expect, most of these followers are probably men. Okay, because men generally like to look at pictures and videos of women in skimpy gear and exercising, etc. So it's an easy way for you to get followers. Loads of men will be following this page and you'll get your followers up, and the more followers you have, the more money that you can make. There'll also be a lot of women following this page, okay, because women want to, they see another woman that's doing really good and then it motivates them. Hey, I want to start working out and exercising and looking good, and etc, etc. Okay, so you can, it has a huge audience, men and women, okay, and therefore basically everyone is interested in it. Okay, so it's not just for men, a niche that's male dominated or female dominated. Okay, so there you are. Look at the amount of followers. Not even that many posts, already 600k followers, and with that many you can make a huge amount of money, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Another account over here, this one basically it's based in Boston. It's a gym in Boston, Achieve Fitness Boston. Okay, and even though it's only in Boston, look at the amount of followers, 621k followers. Okay, and if you scroll down, it has nice posts about how to work out, etc, hamstring gains, exercises that you should be doing, and it just motivates you. Looking at all these pictures of these people working hard, it motivates you to do, and work hard yourself. Alright guys, so these are just two example accounts that are doing really well, and I just want to show you that yes, you can and you will get followers in this niche. Another thing that I have to say is that it's an evergreen niche, so it's not a fad right now. Health and fitness will always be around because people always want to look good, they always want to feel good, they always want to be healthier and stronger and fitter. Okay, we all want bigger muscles, you know. Even if you look like Arnold Schwarzenegger, you want to get bigger, you want to get stronger, you want to look leaner, because we are never satisfied as humans. We just want to look better every single day, every single week, every month, every year. We just want to improve, or I do, and I hope you do too. All right, guys. So next thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is simply how you can make money in this niche. So let's get right into it. I've talked to you guys before about what affiliate marketing is, okay? But I'm going to briefly explain it. Affiliate marketing is basically when you promote someone else's product, okay, through your own traffic. So if you have an Instagram page in the fitness niche, you can promote someone else's product and they give you a commission once you make a sale. Okay, so if you sell a product worth $30, you get 75% sale, for example, etc. All right. So what you want to do is you want to go on this website called ClickBank, and then you want to go on the affiliate marketplace. Okay, so I'm going to click on ClickBank over here. Okay, if you go on the ClickBank website, all you have to do next is you have to go on the affiliate marketplace. Okay, so I'm just going to type that in over here, marketplace. So this is the affiliate marketplace page. Okay, and you can search for loads and loads of different products. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply search for fitness. Okay, you can search anything. You could search for makeup products, fitness products, or anything. Okay, excuse me. And if you scroll down over here, for example, here is a product that you can promote. Okay, all you have to do is you click on promote over here, and then once you do that, you just put your account ID in, and then you generate a link, and then basically you post that link in your videos, for example. And if someone buys that product through your link, after clicking your link, you're going to make a commission. Alright, so that's how basically it works. Let's go on this program over here. What this is a fitness model program. You're selling this product. Basically, it's a program for working out. Okay, so this lady over here, she used to be a lot bigger, and then, you know, afterwards she toned up. Okay, so when people see pictures like this, they think, hey, I look like the one on the left, and I want to look like the one on the right. And then they think, yeah, I want to start this program as well because it worked for this lady and it's going to work for me. We are, as humans, are very visual creatures. So if we see stuff like this, we're like, yeah, I want to do it too. Okay. So this is basically the product we're selling. It's a workout and program that this lady is using over here, and she's selling it. Okay. It's worth $30, I believe. It says it over here somewhere. Okay, but basically you get a 75 commission every time you sell it. So for example, it costs $30, so if someone buys it for $30, you get a 75% commission. So you make easy $25 every time someone buys this $30 product. And for example, if you have a popular fitness page like the ones we showed you with 600k followers, and you post pictures like this, you know, like this on your Instagram page, you post this picture over here, and you say, check out my program that I used, okay, and then you put a link in, okay, people are going to think, yeah, I want to do that too, I want to look like that, and then they're going to buy it, and you get an easy $25. You could make $25 every single day, okay, which would be over $100 a week, and you know, that's a huge amount of money at the end of the year. Okay, that's over 500 a year, easy money. Okay, so that's one of the ways you can make money in this niche, affiliate marketing. Another thing that you can do is drop shipping. So drop shipping is basically importing products from China and then selling them here, you know, getting them shipped to any country, UK, USA, or wherever the client wants it, at a higher price. So in the fitness industry, there's so many things. So for example, you know, all your followers are interested in fitness because they're following your fitness page, so you could sell, you know, products on your website or on your store, okay, online store or anywhere, you know, products such as these fitness related products. Okay, so look at this shaker, for example. It's only $6, for example, okay, and it has 3 layers where you can put protein and pills and, you know, different supplements. Okay, there's just a huge amount of products. Okay, here's an electrical shaker that you can put protein in and milk, for example, and then it electrically shakes it. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? and it's only for $20. You could sell it for $40 in America, you know, or anywhere else. So that's basically two of the ways that you can make money. Again, if you have another popular Instagram page, people will pay you for shout outs and to promote their products, etc., etc. So you can make a huge amount of money with popular Instagram pages, especially in the fitness and health niche. Okay, so that is basically the end of the video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. This is the Cash Kreator signing out. Peace out. Mwah.